Thanks to the HomeDepot Seed program, today we're going to look at the Geenie Lux Edison ST21. It's a smart Wi-Fi LED white light. You get 2 to the box. Neat thing about this is using your phone, you can control the brightness level. You can turn it on, turn it off. You can even change color temperature on it. And if you have a voice control device, as one of these 3, you can also control it via that. Box is very stylish, cool looking. I had a little bit of difficulty unboxing. Maybe that's just me, but there are 2 adhesive dots. I got those open and I thought, okay, now this will undo, but it doesn't. Then I saw there are these pull tabs on the side, and as you see, I've struggled with that one. I undid that, and I still couldn't open it because there are 2 additional adhesive dots on the bottom. So, easiest way to open this is cut one side top, one side bottom. Struggle a little bit with that. Open the box. Then we pull out the clamshell, and in the clamshell you will find, I could swear there's one more. There it is. We're happy when you're happy. They want you to give them some input, and there's also a support number in case you need it. This is the instruction for actually getting the light to work and integrating it with your Wi-Fi. This one will allow you to integrate with one of these voice devices. The actual blister pack has your 2 Edison bulbs, which are kind of unique look to them, so you probably want to showcase this into a fixture in your house. Problem with my house is all our fixtures are either LED or a shade, or in a dome. The only exception is the bathroom. But, according to the instructions, you can't use this in a damp area. You can't put this in an enclosure, and you can't use it on a dimmer. And also, it can't go in an environment where it's gonna go below 4 degrees Fahrenheit or above 104 Fahrenheit. Your Wi-Fi should be, or actually it has to be, 2.4 gigahertz. If it's a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, it's not going to work with this device. To complete your installation, you're going to have to go to your app store, which in my case is the Play Store. Download Geenie app, install, open the app. Now you have to register. Read the policy, understand the policy. If you disagree, then you can't use it, obviously. So you're sort of forced to agree to it, even if you don't like the policy, unless you want to return everything. Tell it what country you're from, give it your email, and then you hit continue. Now you check your verification code, which is emailed to you. You enter that verification code, then you enter a password that has to be between 6 and 20 characters and include at least 1 letter. Now you turn on your device. We've installed our 2 bulbs. I'm now going to switch them on. And you'll notice that they're pulsing 3 times a second, which means they're not attached to an app. This is where we tell our app to add the device, and it'll give you some choices. We want smart lighting. You confirm that the light is flashing quickly, select your Wi-Fi, give it the Wi-Fi password, which is on your router. With your router password entered, you hit confirm, and now it will attempt to make a connection with your lights. And as you see, the lights have now stopped blinking, which means the app now can control your lights. The app sees both lights, and I can turn them off. I can switch the light on, I can dim the light, and I can change the color temperature of the bulb. all from this one app. And you can do that for each bulb individually, or you can even group them together. Here's a look at the different color temperatures you can get between the bulbs. The app allows you the ability to add scenes, which is different light settings, color temperature settings to suit particular mood. Maybe you want some evening light and you just hit one control and you can set that. The app allows you to set custom names, manage the system, get help, and change other settings, and even link with Google. A nice safety feature is that it will actually send you alerts and let you know that someone has logged in to take control of your lights, because you can share this with other family members or friends, so as many people as you like can control your lights. Do note that if somebody turns off the power switch to the lights, doesn't matter what the app says, they're not coming on. To alleviate that problem, you may want to get some type of barrier that will lock out the switch so it's always in the on position, so that it's only controlled by your app or your voice command. The nice thing about these barrier lockouts is that you can bypass should you need to. Once the app is connected to a bulb, you can move that bulb to any location and still control it. Our voice command device is located in the ceiling of our kitchen. Alexa, say hello.
Hi.
And it can control our lamps. Alexa, turn off table lamp. Alexa, turn off floor lamp. Alexa, all lights on. To control your lights by voice command, simply go to the app that controls your particular Google Assistant, Alexa, or Microsoft Cortana. Select Add Device. You'll have to give it the email and password that you use for Geenie so that it can link to your lights. And then once it discovers the lights, you'll be able to control them through your device. Simply follow the directions that are included with the device, and you should make a successful connection. I'm not going to show you how to set up for your particular voice command because software varies throughout time, and so it's just easier to let you know that it can be done and it's fairly easy to do. Despite being hidden by the shade, the light that's given off is fairly nice. We've selected white, and as you can see here, because there are two filaments that give off two different colors, you can see that there's some yellow and some blue, and that's the way it works with this light. Is there are two different color filaments, and then you mix and match to achieve the color balance that you're looking for. And unlike other products in the market, it doesn't require a plug-in relay to work with your Wi-Fi, thus saving some money and frustration in trying to set that up. What do I think of these Wi-Fi bulbs? Well, we won't be using all their features, and we definitely won't be seeing them since they're all in shaded lamps. But like in this case, this lamp switch is difficult to get to. You have to come from underneath, and so actually putting the bulb here and being able to control it via voice or the app is a nice convenience. Having Wi-Fi bulbs in these two fixtures makes sense to us, and therefore justify the cost. We probably wouldn't have gone with the Edison type style, just a plain smart bulb, but for those of you who can showcase the look of the bulb, that's an even better reason to get them. If you found this video enlightening, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. And as always, thank you very much for watching.